Hey, buddy, Thomas here. Stand by. This will be the conclusion of this lean-to off my sawmill building, and it looks really good. I think you're gonna really like this one. Here's a little sneak peek. So stay tuned. Please like, subscribe the video, and we'll see you around. Thanks. All right, folks, I've got a few things I want to get done before my son gets home. I got home a little bit early today. It's Friday, and I want to get those boards trimmed off over there. And I need to get all this stuff cleared out here. Fill up the tractor. I'd like to unload the trailer and then load the trailer into its final spot here. It's a spot it's designated for. Then I can see how much room I have and everything. So let's go ahead, get things cleared out of the way, trim up those boards, and by that time maybe my son will be home and then he can help me put up those last few boards and yeah, get this thing going. Oh, also, we just got Starlink internet, so I'm very excited. This will probably be one of the last videos I upload in 1080p. I'll probably start uploading again in 4K, so woohoo. All right, stay tuned. Let's get this thing going with a time lapse. All right, folks, very happy with that. So I do have room on either side. I have room for my handle there to lift it and lower it and everything. Not much, but I do have to stay more to this outside portion here. But I'm very happy. It's completely covered up. I could not have, measured, tripped on ice. I could not have measured that any better. I mean, that is, look at that. She's inside, fully inside, front and back. So very happy. Trailer is now covered, and I still do have some room. Now I got to be careful, but I can put some slabs vertically here. So, whew, yeah, very happy. I did have a little bit of issue backing up because I had to go up that hill there in order to get straightened up here, and I kept on sliding back down the hill. So it took me a few attempts. Silly dog over there. The goats messed up the fence, but yeah, I'm happy to get that in there, and any minute now I'm hoping the wife and kids will be home, so my oldest boy will be here and we can get that done up. Also, you see the 2 stacks of wood here. Those are all the 12-foot pieces. These are all the 8-foot pieces. I kept them close by here because I'll be using them all over this building, and yeah, gotta get them used up. Gotta get rid of the bad ones and maybe do some fires down here and such. But we are definitely getting some colder weather, and that's good because I'm tired of the swamp that was out here. But next week we'll get some more snow, and that means also we're going to do some more testing of the blades. especially the blades from Mr. Joe Main, a 4-degree 55 thousandths blade. So yeah. All right, so let me wait for my kids to get here and we'll get to work on this wall. Okay, so now I've got at least 2 of the older kids. We'll get this done here. We'll get the corner done here, and then we'll move on to other fun things. Well, folks, I am very happy the way this looks. As you can see, we did some trim boards here. So we got a trim board here. We've got that 4x4 post in the center there. It goes down to a brick pad there. And I might come back and actually put an exterior board here to match like this one here. I'll show you on the other side. I was very happy the way the other side turned out. I think that looks great. I mean, I am very happy with the overall look of this. In fact, I think I like it more than the look of this back wall that I have over here. Now this back wall over here, I'm gonna put some horizontal boards to trim that up because my tops are all jagged, but I've got plenty of kind of like scrap wood here, if you will. We'll go ahead and trim that out too, make that nice and pretty. But overall, very happy. As you can see, we don't have a cloud in the sky. A very beautiful day, about 30 degrees. And it is warming up a little bit. I think today we might get up to like 36 or something like that. But you see how I did these boards here, these vertical boards? I think I might come right in the center here and do the same thing underneath each one of those center rafters and put those vertical boards in there. But very happy with the way this turned out. Let's go ahead and look on the inside. I do have to trim up here. I don't know why I haven't cut that off yet. But as you see, Daniel in here is playing around It looks rustic. It doesn't provide 100% coverage, but it does keep my trailer and everything covered up. So I am happy with that. And yeah, it'll just keep snow and stuff from building up on top of that deck. So can't be wrong is what I'm saying. All right, please like, subscribe to this channel. Folks, those likes do help. So if you've watched this far and you think I deserve a like, please send me a like. Also, if you would, share this channel to other folks or anything, and they can see what's going on with the sawmill, with the farm up here in Wisconsin. Also, we do have a trip scheduled to Tennessee here recently, so we'll be going back and forth to Tennessee. Susie's got herself stuck up there, and I'll be doing some videos down there, as well as a video down in Mississippi with my buddy Mr. Robert. So if you want to know anything about sawmills, any type of tractor stuff, you name it, building, all sorts of stuff, I would appreciate the like, and I would appreciate if you'd tell other people about the channel so we can get this channel to grow. It's so much fun putting these videos together, and I hope that other people will enjoy it, just watching it and then maybe learning something on the sawmills. Or if you have any questions, please let me know. All right, folks, we'll see you around. Have a great day. Thanks.